Everyone, it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd and welcome to another little Temu haul. I did do another one because I spotted that they had blank canvases on there, and so I wanted to get them in order to be able to review them and try them out. So let's have a look at the other bits first of all, and then we'll have a look at the canvases. So I first of all ordered one of these A3, it's meant to be a waterproof wallet. I'm just going to open up Temu so I can let you know the prices that I paid for these. And so this, A3 size waterproof mesh bag. I'll leave all of these linked down below. I can't guarantee that obviously they're going to be in stock when you go to have a look, but I purchased this for the grand price of £1.58. And the reason I've purchased this is because quite often I'm working on a 30 by 40 painting, and when I want to pack it away and keep it kind of clean and tidy, then I have somewhere in order to be able to do this. Now this would be great as well to actually keep your 30 by 40 blank canvases in. So I have one here that I'm actually working on at the moment, and so all I do is just pop the canvas in, and then I also include the drills. So I have this particular one kitted up in one of these, and then there's also an extra bag of 3865 to go with it. And so I just keep my 30 by 40 that I'm working on in this, and so it's nice and protected, ready for me to just pull back out when I'm ready to work on it a little more. So I did buy one of these bags. I also bought one for hubby as well, because he's been doing a little bit of diamond painting alongside with me, and I bought a green one for him. Now I also bought I did buy a few other things that I don't have here to show you. I did buy some more of those mesh file bags, the A5 ones, and I bought those. I've shown them in other videos as well, because I use those to store my drills in, ready for my future paintings. I bought 5 lots of 5 bags, so they're 25 in total. They were £1.28 for 5, and I have used them all. They've all got drills in ready, and I still have more paintings, so I need to get through some of these paintings to free up a few of those bags for sure. Then I purchased this, and this is down as one set DIY diamond painting cross stitch accessory gemstone pickup, and then the description just runs off. Now the reason I purchased this is because I have a roller, but it's my one for my Cricut die cutting machine, and I wanted something a little smaller in order just to roll over and press those diamonds in. So I bought this. I do have another one as well, but it's got like dry black ink on it, and it's leaving black ink all over my drills, which is obviously not ideal. So I bought this one. It is also a diamond painting pen, so you can use this as a painting pen, and it also comes with the attachments. So there's a 3, a 6 and a 9, an angled, and then a straightener. But these are the old style thicker plastic ones, so these are just going to go into the bin because they are they're no good. I can't place with them, so they unfortunately are going to be into the trash. So yes, I bought this. Obviously it has still got, I'm not going to be using this end for placing drills or anything, but it is just going to allow me to press those drills down, especially square drills that might just not be clicked into place. So I've bought this, and I'm going to pop that in with my tools. Then I also treated myself to a pen. I bought hubby a pen as well. I bought him a green one. Again, it came with the plastic tips, which again have just gone straight into the bin because they're no good. They are rubbish. So this one actually comes with the plastic tips as well, by the looks of things. Yes, and they are the old, thicker profile, which again just are no good. You cannot multi-place very well with these. So again, they are destined for the rubbish bin. You also get two squares of wax. I am trying putty at the moment, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to be using the wax. And I've got a ton of this stuff. So yeah, I might just bag it up and pass it on to someone else that does use it. So I won't get rid of it for now. But this is the pen. How cute is this? So it's a resin pen, and it has all of these little sliced pieces of fruit, and yeah, so I'll put my own metal tips in I hope they'll just slide straight in. Let's just check if they're going to fit. Let's see which one I've got free at the moment. I might have to buy some more metal tips. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a push-in one, so my 9 placer will go in. And it fits nicely in there as well. Some of them are quite loose, but that fits nicely. It has got the bands on already. So yeah, I just thought it was really cute. I saw this originally on Amazon, I think it was, and it was like £12 or something, and I just picked it up on Temu for the grand total of £3.38, which I think is a very, very reasonable price. So I've got that. I'm super excited to give that a go, see how comfortable it is. I've just got one spare I got one spare not multiplacer, it's a single placer with the crooked neck. My husband really gets on with this one, so I should give it a go and see how I get on. And I'll pop that in with my other diamond painting pens. I don't have many. I'm not going crazy on diamond painting pens. I don't have the need or the room for them. I saw that one a while ago when I not long after I first started diamond painting. So I saw it and I wanted it. I didn't buy it at the time, but I have bought one now. And then I did purchase one diamond painting. So I'm on a real kick with square diamond paintings at the moment. And as in square drills. And so I purchased this one. It's beautiful. It's a 30 by 40. And here it is. And I think it will come out really well as well. It's a peacock. The name of the canvas is called Sunset Peacock. There are 21 colours. Some really beautiful pinks and purples in this, which is kind of what had me drawn to it. However, so I had it in my basket. And I even said to my husband, I'm not buying, in my next Temu order, I'm not buying any more diamond paintings. And the only reason this one was in my basket was because I'm doing some custom canvases, another standard toolkit, because I'm doing some custom paintings in square at the moment. I thought, well, actually the leftover drills from this will be perfect to add to my stash. But actually when it turns out that, you can see there, these are round drills. And so I kind of thought I was going a bit crazy. They're acrylic drills. There's nothing special about them. You can see the colours are lots of pinks and purples in there and blues. I'm not going to get them out because I've got these other canvases that I want to show you. But this was £3.48. However, the description of the painting said 5D mosaic magic square drill painting, Sunset Peacock. So I was not expecting this to turn up and be a round drill painting. And I kind of feel I was missold because I wanted it in square. So I contacted Temu. To be fair, they were brilliant. I contacted Temu and I raised a query with them, and I just said this should have been a square painting. And then they just messaged back very quickly and said, would you prefer a refund back on your card, or would you prefer a credit back on your account? The refund back on your card, this is where I think they get you. The refund back on your card was going to take, I think it was 7 to 30 working days or something stupid like that. However, the credit back to your account would be fairly instant. And I thought, well, I know that I'm going to be spending more money on Temu, so I don't mind having it back as a credit. So I said, that's fine. But then they also said to keep the diamond painting or donate it on, or, you know, send it to charity or whatever, that I didn't need to send it back. So I was like, okay, I'll still do the painting. I'm disappointed that it's not square. In square drill, should I say. But nevertheless, it's a diamond painting that I've got for free. So I can't complain too much. The stick on it is brilliant. I have had no issue with the Temu canvases with the stick. And I've had no issues with the drills. And you can see on here just some beautiful pinks and purple colours. Got the DMC codes as well. So again, I'll be able to kit down with what I have left over. So that was the painting. I did pick up a few other bits that are just more householdy, and I thought this video is probably going to be, it could be long if I start to include those. So I thought I will just stick to the diamond painting items in this one. So I then ordered some blank canvases. So this was mainly the reason that I did this order. So this one here says DIY diamond painting kit, diamond embroidery canvas with glue, empty, I don't know, empty canvas with markings. So I will leave these linked. For this size, for the 40 by 40, now prices do change on Temu, so you cannot guarantee that this is what they are going to currently be. But at the time when I purchased this on, when did I originally purchase this Temu order? I've had this a while. I've just been not been able to do the video. So I purchased this on the 9th of May, and then this got delivered on the 22nd of May. Now, the reason my order took so long is because these were on pre-order, which I didn't realise, but there we are. So this is the blank canvas. I'm a bit confused because this 40 by 40 and this 40 by 40 were both I bought two of, but they appear to be slightly different. I'm not sure why. So anyway, this is the round canvas. Sorry, canvas with round drills. I'm gonna roll this back because this has been rolled up pretty tightly. You can tell that this is poured glue because of the clear cover sheet. So I'm equally safe to do this. It's a very stiff canvas. That's one thing that I will note. Very stiff canvas. And let's pull this back and try and flatten this out a little bit at least. There we go. And then again, let's pull this back and flatten this out. Okay, so yeah, size 40 by 40 canvas. Let's actually measure it and see what the drill area size is, because I would imagine that's probably 40 all the way across. So the actual drill area is 35, so it'll be 35 by 35, which is common with the budget canvases. Just shy of 35 that way. But yeah, it's just a blank canvas that I can take a pattern from anywhere else and just create my own. It has actually got a legend down this side, so 1 to 30. So if I wanted to include my own, I suppose I could write the symbol and the DMC color number in. That won't be happening. And the stick is brilliant, so I have no qualms. My only concern is why this one is different. So let me just see if it's a different manufacturer. Let's get it out of the packet. Oh, the elastic band just broke on me. Let's unroll this one. No, they look to be the same. They look to be identical. It's just one, I think one was rolled inwards, one was rolled the other way. One had a longer elastic band, one had a shorter elastic band. So yeah, a 40 by 40 blank canvas. I will try and do a video where I convert a picture into something that will fit on this, and I'll use my spares to create my picture onto this canvas. So I bought two of those, and they were £2.48 each. So less than $3 if you're in the US. So I got those two. And then I bought 3 of the 30 by 40s in the square. So I couldn't get these in a 40 by 40. The biggest that I could get was a 30 by 40. So let's take a look at these ones. And again, it's got a little foam doodah in the middle. So I'm just going to roll these ones back, or one of these back. All 3 of them are the same, so I'm not going to open the other 2. And let's have a little look at the description. So this one says round diamond, square diamond painting, blank base cloth, white cloth. Okay, so let's pull this back. I think that's a bug on my canvas. I think that's a dead bug. That's disgusting. Is it? I'm not actually sure. Let me get some tweezers. I'll clean these after. Ew. Okay, I'm definitely contacting them. That's disgusting. I know these things can happen, so I'm not going to hold them accountable for it, but I won't be using that where there's a dead bug on the canvas. So these weren't expensive. They were £1.98 each. So let's have a look at another one and hope that there's no dead bug in this one. No, I'm safe with this one. I'll have a look at this. I don't particularly want to be touching that one. Okay. Let's give it a little roll. Here we are. So yeah, this is a 30 by 40 poured glue. So there shouldn't really be any issues with the glue on these. And let's pull that back and just give that canvas a little straighten. These are glittery. I don't know how well, quite a lot of the budget diamond paintings have a glittery canvas, and that's just so any gaps that there are on there, hopefully if it catches a bit of the glitter, it'll just look, it'll look glittery and shiny. So I don't know how well, if that's going to pick it up at all. But yes, these were £1.98 and I bought 3 of them. Look at that. Beautiful stick on that, which is music to my ears. So again, I'm going to find some images that I can convert to a 30 by 40 image, so I can create my own diamond paintings. So let's give these a quick measure. So this is... We've got a bit of a bump there, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. This is 34, just shy of 34 and a half. And I would imagine probably going to lose 5.5 the other way as well. Yeah, 24 3/4 across that way. So we're losing a little bit more top and bottom. But as long as I can get a picture that I can convert into that size, whatever size the original size was, then this should work. This should work well. So yes, from Temu I bought a canvas with a bug, a free bug. I will contact them, and I'm sure it won't be an issue with either getting a replacement or getting a refund. So I bought 3 of those. Then I bought two of the 40 by 40 rounds, and I'm really excited about these ones because I have a ton of rounds that I want to start eating into. So there's my round canvases, and then I purchased the little roller, and then I purchased the pen, and then this was the painting where it said square drill, and it wasn't, it was round, but they quite kindly refunded it anyway. And this is my little Temu haul. So if you've got any questions around any of this, I suppose more so around the blank canvases, I hope that I've demonstrated what they're like, the sizing, the stick on them. I don't anticipate any issues. I just need to find the images that I want to transfer into a diamond painting, and hopefully come back and show you a video as to how I do that. I hope you've enjoyed today's little Temu haul. If you have, as always, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell notification so you know when I next upload, and drop anything that you have to say in the comments down below, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.